Tamaba issued a narrative or order that the whole government secretaries, both state and federal, in the southeastern Nigeria, will done two. I listen to me.
Yeah.
Done two for 4 days for that kind of cruel treatment from DSS that Nnamdikanu should not access to his medication or medical doctors. See, what I'm trying to say is this: if they treat him good, he will be treated. It is his right. It is not DSS right. What DSS did is that they have breached the law. They have violated Nnamdikanu. They have at least gone that far to make sure that he becomes sick without what medication. Meaning, if he dies, DSS in Nigeria will go down because they are the one that is threatening Nnamdikanu's corporate existence. You should not. You should allow somebody that is in detention medication. What did he commit? Is it not the same offense with Igbo? What did he commit? Did he commit the same offense with bandits and the Boko Haram that are working freely in the northern Nigeria? They know where they are. Sometimes they come and celebrate Eid Fitr, Eid Kabir, Eid Malud. They know them. Sometimes they will come to their communities and what? Enroll some innocent locals into their banditry platform. They take them, they take their name. Everybody can hardly there. They know them. They know the kingpins. They still allow them. What did Nnamdikanu do? What did he do? What did he do? Did Nnamdikanu kill anybody? Or gonna leave all this one where they talk about? I'm tired of
Yes. We've seen, for example, the Yoruba agitator Sunday Igbo was released. We saw, for example, how this Mietiala leader too was released, and even a governor, I'm not the governor, a governor from Northwest said that anytime they arrest bandits, that is like they call that like the people they receive a call from higher place, and the bandits are set free. So if bandits are being set free, then why is Nnamdikanu still in detention? That's my question. I don't know why. So I'm just asking that if Sunday Igbo can be free, if Mietiala can be free, if bandits can be free, if we can be having reported Boko Haram, then why is Mazi in detention? I don't know why, but I'm just asking the question. Understand? So that issue of being poisoned or dying slowly, I can't, it's an allegation. We don't know. We can't just come here and say. But I don't think it would be wise for any government to want to have this kind of riot. It's only because 1 year in government and everything. So I don't think that they will want to tamper with the health of Nnamdikanu. I only since they've allowed him now to seize his medical team. And that they've been saying that he should go and treat himself abroad. That one again. You see, I'm looking at a political solution to the issue of Nnamdikanu. That they should find a way. I've been saying for how many years constantly that they should find a way, the southeastern governors, to find a way that they sit down with the government and find a way so that it can be released. It should be released. Nnamdikanu can be released. Understand? So it's a kind of dilemma. Now you look at it, and like the government has to be very careful with the issue. We are still talking about how Nigeria is not one. We are talking about the food inflation, the poverty in Nigeria, and anything happens to Nnamdikanu, then what do you think will be the how do I put it? Will be the what is inside the heart, the minds of the Southeasterners. So I'm looking at a situation whereby the government will have to be very careful and make sure that Nnamdikanu is being protected and is being treated. And it's been attended to his needs. So but some ekpa coming out every day to how do I put it, to talk about the I mean the current situation presently. No, it's very good. Some ekpa is right on that. It's very good. It's at least it's his brother, understand, and his brother, and he's a human being first, not his brother. That's what I mean. So it's very good. I've been seeing people finding a common voice, telling the government that they should be very careful, or they should find a way, like I said, political solution to the issue of Nnamdikanu. So it's very good. So we are seeing it, and me personally, I'm very happy with what Simon Ekpa is doing as regards to the earth, as in talking about the earth and calling attention to the earth challenges of Nnamdi Kanu. Same way as his lawyer, Mr. Aloy Ejimako, they are doing the right thing, calling Nigerians and calling international bodies to the predicaments of Nnamdi Kanu. I saw the news from Simon Ekpa. I saw his write-up on Twitter. I follow him on Twitter, so I saw his write-up on Twitter. I saw he was very angry at the treatment of Nnamdi Kanu. And well, he's in Finland, and like I always say, he has a right to say. But what he's saying about the treatment by Aloy Ejimako is the lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu. But he raised his voice and he spoke out against the ill treatment being meted out to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And then we saw after next, the Nigerian government or the DSS that they allowed him to be treated. And Aloy Ejimako came out to say yes, that truly we've seen that the federal government are not treating. So Simon Ekpa is very right. That is very good because Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of how do I put it? Is the leader of
the Eastern,
most Easterners. Take it or leave it.
Yeah.
Some are elected, some are appointed by God. Nnamdi Kanu is appointed by God. Take it or leave it. But I'm not an igbo. I know what I'm talking about. If Nnamdi Kanu, if assuming today Nnamdi Kanu is free. If he says yes, governors say no. People are likely to follow him by antecedent than the governors. So the people seem to obey Nnamdi Kanu than the governors of the. I know what I'm talking about. From the southeast, we've seen it before. So he is the leader, being appointed by God or by nature, because he seemed to be driving at his own, to be driving at what the igbo people wanted or what they seem to be wanted. I cannot speak for them. I'm a Yoruba person, Abeokuta State. But what I've been seeing is like they love Nnamdi Kanu more than majority of their political leaders. The Igbo people, they seem to love Nnamdi Kanu, and I'm seeing them too. Like they love Simon Ekpa too. What I've been seeing, understand? So Nnamdi Kanu being treated and him being getting better treatment is a welcome development, because see the way things are going, nothing should happen to someone like Nnamdi Kanu. Yes.
It will be bad for Nigerian.
No.
Anything happen to him?
Because you arrested him. So you can't allow anything to happen to him where you keep him. If he's sick or anything, you must find a way to treat him.
It is right.
It is right to be treated. So you must find a way to treat him and make sure that he's back on his feet, walking again. So I'm very, very happy when I saw the news that Nnamdi Kanu is being treated and it's a welcome development for the people of his zone. Even for all Nigerians, he has been saying that if I'm allowed, if I'm given freedom today, in 2-3 days, I will stop
in the southeast.
The so-called insecurity. He said it to himself. I don't say it, so I'm not the one that said it. And for him to have said that, the other courage to make that statement, that means he knows what he's talking about. That means he has what he thinks that other does not have. So I'm very, very happy to see that the people of the southeast, I'm talking about the zone themselves, the southeast zone, the Igbo tribe, and the people of that state of Anambra, where Nnamdi Kanu comes from, they believe in him. You understand? And but just they should not take a lesson from Nnamdi Kanu. That what is Nnamdi Kanu doing right that make people to believe in him? What are they doing wrong that makes people not to believe in them? You understand? So I'm very, very happy to see the fact that the people of Anambra and Southeast in general are very, very, very happy with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Simon Ekpa is very right. On this one is very right. You see, I see some people, they say that it is the obedience that are demarcating Nigeria. But how many times have obedience come out and gave you fake news? When they tell you that obedience are demarcating Nigeria, obedience are now you have for yourself, by government themselves, they have posted news and they have been deleted by themselves. We saw my deal the first time. they deleted it. We saw, for example, Dubai is back the first time. Now, what is so special about Dubai? If you make your country a good country, people will come to your country and invest. You have the opportunity to go to other countries if your country is good. So it's not about Dubai or no Dubai. So if someone is mocking Nigeria, maybe Nigeria deserves to be mocked. Understand? Because it is your fault that makes someone to be mocking you. It's your fault. You get what it is that you are paying $600,000. You want to go to Dubai and everything. Now Dubai now they say no. I mean yeah. Then someone is right.
There was nothing like that.
It wasn't like that. Now it's a fake news, and then you blame the citizens. You say the obedience are demarcating Nigeria. Now, who is demarcating Nigeria more than this government? A website that from an unknown origin to a website, and people are celebrating. Like, can I go to the UAE? Whereby the government themselves have not yet given the go ahead. I mean, the government of the UAE, they want to deceiving ourselves. We are 2024. Why are we deceiving ourselves in this place?
Go underground. Even the politicians are not believing
What are you talking about? That's what I mean. So when you look at it, I be like, this kind of government officials, what is their problem? What is their problem? Yes, so we can't keep deceiving ourselves. We can't keep deceiving ourselves and say that we are going forward. We are not getting anywhere. You take one step forward, you take 5,000 steps backward. One step forward, 5,000 steps backward. I say you are going forward. What are you talking about? Yes, sir. So you announce a deal. The next thing you cancel the deal, you delete your tweets. Then who are you deceiving? And you are saying somebody is mocking you. He can mock you because you have disgraced yourself. Before he comes to mock you, you have disgraced yourself.
And the country as
yes, now somebody is in Finland is mocking you. Is he mocking you for doing the right thing? No, he's mocking you because he has seen that in the midst of poverty, the president are buying aircraft. The governors are creating aircraft ministries. They've seen that the people of that same place are not ready for anything. The man has seen. He has looked at them. These ones are not ready for anything. So he can mock them. Yes, sir. He have seen that these ones how they behave like this. What is the problem? Yes, sir. So he can mock them. He knows what he's saying. Yes, sir. So I cannot blame him from that angle that he's coming from.
yeah.
But I have seen the ineptitude of the government. Like this ones, look at them. Today something, tomorrow another thing, tomorrow another thing. So you can mock them. You know, it is they themselves that allow, like I said, allow themselves to be mocked. If you do the right thing, nobody can mock you. Especially a private citizen in Finland cannot mock you. But you allow yourself to, you are disgracing yourself everywhere. So why are they not going to mock you? So I'm not surprised. Let them keep getting mocked every day. That's all. That's all. So don't let them keep getting mocked. So until the day we realize ourselves, they see themselves and come out with our senses. Either enough is enough, either we have to change our ways, either we have to have a new constitution or just something. But this same thing you are doing over and over again, you are just deceiving ourselves because it's only a mad person that does the same thing over again and expect different results. Only a mad person that does that. You understand what I mean? So you can't keep doing the same thing over and over again, expect different results unless you are just deceiving yourself. So let's not deceive ourselves in Nigeria. We are still playing in Nigeria. Let them look at themselves in their eyes and tell themselves the truth. That the way the country is headed to, the way the country is going, is not in the right direction. You understand? So that's the only way out. If you don't want to be mocked by ekpa or by anybody, not even by anybody.
But this is not the first time Nigerian government, present government, have come out to tell us. We've seen different saying different story, and the same UAE as at one point in time, I think they said you know, there's also lifted the ban, but all in all, we saw that it was still propaganda. And this second time UAE is coming out again to deny, you know, such lamba, as I'll put
yes,
it.
now. So we have been, you see, the greatest deceit in life is self-deceit. If somebody is deceiving you, if somebody is deceiving you, it is very good. But don't deceive yourself. If I'm deceiving you, it's better. If you are deceiving yourself, the greatest deceit is self-deceit. Don't deceive yourself. So the government are just deceiving themselves. They are making themselves happy. Make yourself happy. Oh, living in delusion, like a castle in the air. That's the kind of government that we have now. Understand? But Dubai, they are denying you something. Say you do it. Let me give you an example. I say I'm marrying this girl. The girl say no. You cannot marry yourself. The person that you are marrying is saying no. Say you are marrying. I say no. Say you are marrying. Say no. What I'm talking about? I say I'm married. The guy say no. I want this guy say no. It's as simple as that. So I've been observing with the way these people are doing. Is there any hope for Nigeria with the way these leaders are going in Nigeria? Even they themselves, they don't believe in the government. They don't believe in Nigeria. If they believe in Nigeria, their children will be in Nigeria schooling. But their children are abroad. What does that tell you? Your politicians, they don't believe in Nigeria. Listen and listen good if I'm talking. They believe in abroad. They believe in abroad than Nigeria. They tell you citizens to pray for Nigeria, even the pastors, but their children are schooling abroad. You cannot use your head. That's that. The politicians themselves, they tell you one Nigeria, pray for Nigeria, pray for Nigeria. Their children are abroad. Their children they have dual citizens. If they have headache, they go to Dubai. If they have leg problem, they go to UAE. If they have problem, they go to London. What does that tell you? But you, if you have any problem, you drink agbo because you are poor. That is the problem. That's what I mean. So they've seen it. The only thing that Nigeria is good for now is a burial ground. Nigeria is only good to be a burial ground in 2024. I'm telling you what I know. Nigeria is only good to be a burial ground now. When you steal money, Dubai, you steal money, UK, you steal money, London. All your children send them to school, London. But if you die, they want to bury you. They come and bury you in Nigeria. Then what is Nigeria? Is that not a burial ground? So until we tell ourselves the truth in Nigeria, as citizens and leaders, stop deceiving them. I'm talking about us. And the citizens stand up and say no. Enough is enough. We are tired of this system. We are tired of this government, and we cannot continue like this. You understand? Somebody will be passing and be looking at us. They don't get work. You that are working, your salary is 30,000 naira. Salary is 10,000 naira. What can it buy? I've eaten this morning now 2,000 naira money food. So when are we going to stop this tribalism, this propaganda, this useless system that I've been doing every day and it's not working? Very important. Police. So it's as simple as that, Mr. Akire.
Okay.
Until we sit down and tell ourselves, the government and the citizens look at them with their eyes and say, enough is enough. We know our enemies and we are going after them. There's no way out of Nigeria.
There's no way out of Nigeria.
Yes, there's no way. There's no way.
Okay.
You keep complaining for Jesus because you have been praying. Your grandfather prayed for Nigeria. Your father prayed for Nigeria. You are praying for Nigeria and the prayer is not working. Because righteousness exalts a nation, not your prayers. Look at churches everywhere, mosques everywhere. But look at the high level of corruption, of moral decadency, of infidelity. Look at it. So until you live religiosity and be righteous, there seems to be no way out for the country.
So prayer is not the solution.
Prayer has never been solution. God will bless the work of your hand, not your prayers. So if you are working, God will bless you. So are they not working? Ask yourself. They give somebody money, he embezzle 80 billion. In Nigeria, there's under Buhari that when human beings start stealing money, animals too now start stealing money.